Here's how to fix WhatsApp notification sound on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix WhatsApp notification sound on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So the first step is very simple. Just go to your WhatsApp. And once you're inside WhatsApp, just make sure that you're inside, your call log, and just go ahead and press on settings. And once you're inside settings, what you need to do is just scroll down a bit until you see the option of notifications. Just go ahead and press notifications and make sure show notification is turned on, and the sound, it should not be on none, it should be on note or any other sounds with whatever you want to use. There are many options, and then press save. Now you gotta do the same for group notifications. Make sure your notifications are turned on, as well the sound, and then the status notification. I'll just make sure that all of these are on note or any other sounds. And once you're done with that, just go back and simply go to your settings. Once you're inside settings, just scroll down a bit until you see notifications. Just go ahead and press on notifications, and then scroll down a bit until you see notification style, and just scroll down until you find WhatsApp. So here we are now. Yeah, here we go. Now just go ahead and open up WhatsApp, and then just make sure that allow notification is turned on. The top, just basically make sure that this is turned on. And once you've made sure, you will see notification sound working. If it's still not showing you any notification sounds working, what you need to do is just be on your settings, and then just go to general. Once inside general, just go to your iPhone storage, and then just simply find WhatsApp. So here we are, and now just simply offload the app and then reinstall it. Once you offload, you gotta reinstall the app and you're good to go, and your problem will be fixed. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can fix WhatsApp notification sound on your iPhone device. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.